ConvertKit is a powerful email marketing platform designed to help creators grow their audience, engage subscribers, and drive sales. Here's how to use ConvertKit for email marketing. Build your email list. Start by creating opt-in forms and landing pages to capture leads. ConvertKit offers customizable templates for forms that you can embed on your website or share via a link. Use these forms to collect email addresses from visitors, offering incentives like freebies or content upgrades. Segment your audience. Organize your subscribers into different segments based on interests, actions, or demographics. This helps you send targeted, relevant emails that resonate with each group, improving engagement and conversion rates. Create email campaigns. Use ConvertKit's email editor to craft professional-looking campaigns. You can send broadcast emails to your entire list or specific segments. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to add images, text, and links without needing coding knowledge. Automate email sequences. Set up automated email sequences to nurture your leads. For example, send a welcome email series to new subscribers, offer discounts, or provide educational content. ConvertKit's automation feature allows you to send emails triggered by specific actions. Analyze results. Track open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics with ConvertKit's reporting tools. Use this data to refine your campaigns and improve performance.